Hey guys, I was at Walmart spending too much money today, and got a growing kid, and he eats me out of house and home. But that's neither here nor there. Saw these, had to buy them. Saw tea and autographs. Opened these the other day, and decided I'd buy a box of them. 2017 Bowman. Lots and lots and lots of prospects. There are some older guys thrown in there, but a lot of prospects. And it says, look for exclusive prospect autograph cards. I already opened them. There's none of those. It does have the anniversary cards, and I'll show you those at the end. They're pretty cool. So, let me show you what I got. Jorge Alfaro, Orlando Arcia, Freddie Freeman. It's a shame, broken wrist. I can't say his name. Diaz, Wilson Contreras, a refractor, Matt Manning. Pretty cool looking card, a little bit thicker. Mark Zagunis, don't know. Jake Bowers, Victor Robles, TJ Friedel, Jose Altuve, 5'0", Ryan Braun, Michael Fulmer, Mark Trumbo, little refractor action here, Kyle Lewis, Eric Fedde, or Fed, I have no idea, another Victor Robles, Dustin May, Pepino Man, like that one. Then we go to the World Baseball Classic cards. Yang, yeah, him, Mr. Jong. Yang something Jong. Hunter Dozier. Tyler Austin. This thing is, I'm going to tell you what, if you're a Yankees fan, this thing is full of Yankees prospects. And some of them are very good Yankees prospects. Carson Fulmer and Clayton Kershaw. A Tyler Glasnow 2017 rookie. That one's an insert. Alex Rosario. Matt Face. Another one of these. Yoshitomo Sugo. Don't know. Gavin Lux. Pepino, any good? Colby Allard. Kenta Maeda. Lots of Dodgers in here, too. Julio Urias. Sorry, Urias. Brendan Belt. Johnny Lester. The Red Sox contingent. Mookie, my man. And Andrew Benintendi. Kyle Funkhauser. Love that name. And Wilkerman Garcia. Another Yankee. Don't know how good he is. Dustin May. Tyler Beatty. Sorry. Kind of covered his face up there. Kyle Freeland. Aramis Garcia. Ronaldo Lopez. David Dahl. It's a nice one. This one I like, even though he went to the White Sox. We got Chris Sale for him, so Yohan Moncada. Strasburg. Cool little picture there. Here's a refractor of Jamie Schultz. Talent Pipeline. Here's Matt Manning again. Yu Chung Chang. First Bowman card. Already seen those. Ryan Mountcastle. Justin Bohr. Yu Darvish. Poppy. Robert. Yeah. Bo Bichette. Remember his dad. Jarlin Garcia. Here you go, Pino Man, Cody Bellinger. Here's another one of these. Takahiro Norimoto. I think I said that one right. Ariel Jurado. Mike O and Ray from Philly. Mickey Moniak. Juan Hillman. Alfredo Rodriguez. This is a cool looking card. This is a Cody Bellinger. Top 100 prospects. It's a cool card. Clint Frazier. Could be something with the Yankees. Jake Lamb. We're getting down to the first pack. What's a good pack? Cole Hamels. I like this guy a lot. Jamison Tyon. Just got done with Tommy John surgery. He's pitched pretty well. Joey Bats. Here's the one first pack. These are good. Alex Kirilloff. This guy's going to be a good player, even though he's on the Yankees, and I hate the Yankees. Gleyber Torres is going to be a darn good player. You tell me, Pepino. Gavin Lux. Cal Quantrill. Donnie DeWeese. This one was a cool card. Whitey Ford, the little thing on the back. Giancarlo. And then for Orioles fan down in Louisiana, there's your man, Mr. Bregman. Even though it says Ryan Healy. And then we've got our 7th anniversary, whatever the heck this thing is, of Dean Palmer. And then this is the best card. I like this one a lot because it's with the Red Sox, and it's a sweet looking card. Yoan Moncada. That is a really cool looking card. So that is my break. I'm going to be doing videos today. I've got a PSA order, and I will have some TPMs because I know I got some mail. So hope everybody had a great day today. Has a great day today, and we will talk to you.